AI will take your job. That's the line that you have probably heard a lot lately. But is that actually true, or is everyone just fear mongering you? Let's break this down calmly. AI tools today can write code, they can debug errors, and they can even design systems. But that doesn't mean that they are going to replace all the IT jobs. It's natural for all of us to feel scared, but here's the truth. AI is not replacing the entire IT jobs directly. It's replacing the parts of the task, like repetitive coding and then boilerplate code, simple debugging, and documentation. Now, these are the kind of tasks which are much more better to be done by AI because it's much more cheaper, it's much more accurate, and it also helps the companies to utilize the human resources, the abilities of these highly educated engineers, software engineers, for doing something which is much more advanced and cannot be done by AI. Now, if someone's entire job is to do the repetitive tasks only, then obviously that role is under pressure. But that doesn't mean that all of the jobs are going to disappear. And that also doesn't mean that it's something very new that is happening. In fact, it is very much similar to what happened in the industrial revolution and during the internet revolution. At that time also, people thought that machines and computers, they will do all the work. They will overtake all of the jobs and humans will be left without any jobs. But that didn't happen. The companies replaced only those tasks where machines and computers proved out to be profitable. By profitable, I mean they were faster in doing the same amount of work, and in fact, they produced much more higher productivity. They were much more cheaper instead of hiring a real human employee, and they just did the work better and much more efficiently. And so the companies replaced the repetitive and the boring tasks with the machines and the computers. But the advanced work, all of the work which required a lot of thinking, decision making, and creativity, and anything that the machines and the computers could not do, all of those jobs remained and they were continued to be done by humans only. After both the revolutions, new jobs came into existence. Like after the industrial revolution, the jobs like engineers, machine operators, factory designers, and maintenance roles that came in existence. And the same happened after the internet revolution. Jobs like software designer, web developer, all of them came in existence. The same pattern is repeating again. AI is replacing the repetitive work and the humans are moving to a higher level work like thinking, designing, decision making, and problem solving. AI isn't replacing the good IT professional. Instead, it's just making them much more faster and much more better at doing their work. So the real shift in IT is this. Jobs are moving from doing everything manually to guiding, reviewing, and improving systems and automations so that all of the work which is much more profitable to be done by AI get delegated to AI systems, and the work which is much more natural and much more profitable to be done by humans stay in demand. And just like every revolution, new jobs and roles will appear. In fact, we are already seeing it. Jobs like AI engineers, ML engineers, prompt engineers, and then the AI system integrators, people who understand both business and AI. All of these roles didn't existed in as much quantity a few years ago, but now they are getting in more and more demand. And apart from these, more jobs will surely come. So if you are a student or fresher, then don't panic. Instead of asking, will AI take my job? Ask this: how do I work better than others, than my competitors, than my peers, using AI? That's the question that you need to ask if you want to survive this revolution. That's how people have survived every revolution before. Just like how Charles Darwin said, it's not the strongest, fastest, or the most intelligent of the species that survives. It is the one which is the most adaptable to change. If you like tech conversations like this, then subscribe to the channel and I will keep making videos like this. Thanks for watching.